Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting essentials in place. Sign up with your email or SSO, then open Collanote in the browser or install the desktop app. Once done, create a workspace and give it a clear project name so files stay organized. Invite collaborators immediately and set their permissions, edit, comment, or view, because permissions shape workflows. Make sure to enable notifications and link a storage provider if needed. This prevents later sync interruptions and ensures collaborators can access attachments without extra steps. Next, integrate storage and tools so Collanote becomes central to work. Connect Google Drive or Dropbox and verify two-way sync by saving a test note and checking it appears in both places. Create a few templates, meeting notes, RFC, and task lists, so everyone uses consistent formats. Assign default tags for quick filtering. Then wire up Slack, Jira, and your calendar and configure notification rules to avoid noise. Doing this now prevents fractured info and keeps edits and issues linked automatically. Finish by locking down access and teaching the team how to use the space. Define access policies, guest limits, link expiration, and SSO enforcement so sensitive notes stay protected. Run a brief 10-15-minute walkthrough and assign owners for each section to maintain accountability. Finally, test everything. Create, edit, and comment as different users. If something breaks, first clear the app cache, reauthorize integrations, and check sync status. That resolves most issues quickly and gets collaborators back on track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.